फक्त हांव मायनिंग एरियांतलोच आमदार. आमचो सपोर्ट हाच. हांवें पयलींच सांगलेलें आसा की मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर आनी भारतीय जनता पक्षाच्या सरकारान इफ नॉट ए बी खंयचीय सोल्युशन काडा, पूण सोल्युशन काडा जे काही ट्रक ओनर मायनिंग डिपेंडंट हांकां आमी हेंचो इंट्रस्ट आमी प्रोटेक्ट करूं शकता. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू गो ऑन पाथ ए, देन गो ऑन पाथ ई, एक्सप्लोर ऑल पॉसिबिलिटीज बट स्टार्ट मायनिंग. एंड आय एम कॉन्फिडंट there is some thinking going on, so let us see how it goes on, and I'm sure everybody will understand. Till the 11th results come, I don't see any movement happening because everybody is preoccupied. Once 11th happens, automatically things will start moving. Chief Minister also is in touch with certain people. Everybody has been busy in the campaigning. Same time, Goa's issue should not be being neglected. It's a court issue. Court had brought the closure of mining in the state of Goa because of Goa Foundation. As a result of which, when you're navigating, I had said earlier also, when you're navigating this path, it should be a very clear-cut path. I am going to go on record to say you cannot go on the A path. If A path is not possible, go on the B path. There are 2-3 options. Go on any path as long as, and I'm confident the government will do it. I'm sure government knows the seriousness of mining. Mining revenue is very important, and I'm sure mining resumption is on the top agenda of the government.
सर कोण दिल्ली वचल्याचे?
दिल्ली वचून थंय बसून अशे माझे मतदारसंघाचे बी लोक गेले, थोडे लोक गेल्या, थोड्या लोकांक आमी धाडल्या. तांकां वचूंक जाय जाल्यार वचून बसून यू कॅनॉट स्टॉप एनीबडी फ्रॉम डुईंग एनी एक्टिविटी. But same time, by sitting there will be no solution. Solution will come from government to government.